Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to create a foreign TikTok account. So as you all know, in some most of the countries, TikTok is not yet eligible for the monetization. But if you want to do it, you can either create TikTok of the country which are already monetized, which are countries like US, UK, Germany, and the rest, which are the accounts or countries which you can monetize your TikTok on. So recently a guy contacted me that he want me to create a certain UK, yeah, a UK TikTok for him that he needed for something and he wanna pay me. I was like, oh, so they pay you, you guys paid for these things. Why when you can just do it yourself? So that's how I say, okay, let me make video on it. Because I also scroll through TikTok, I saw a lot of people like, you pay for to get the TikTok, you pay to get the accounts, they will you pay for them. So this is just how to do it. So first of all, as you can see, I'm using desktop. I'm using desktop because if I think it's more preferred to use desktop, but you if you have store a laptop, if you have smartphone, you can also use phone. But if you want to use it this way, I think I will make video also on how to use your mobile phone to do it. But this one, let's just start with the PCs. So first of all, I will download. I'm not going to use the normal VPN or like application VPN. I will be using extension. So this is how to get the extension, to download extension of the VPN. So I come to visit on this thing. Okay. So currently I need a VPN. So this step is just for me to get the VPN I need for my for the creation of accounts. So here let me use yes this urban VPN protocol. There is this urban browser guide, not the this browser guide. It just protects you against malicious link and phishing links. But this we are going for the VPN now, urban VPN proxy. That's what you use. All right, so click on add and we add it. All right, this is it. Okay, now our VPN is set. Let's just open it. Yes, this is just their thank you message and all that. All right, I agree. So now we are going for UK account first. So maybe in when I'm doing the mobile phones on how to create using your mobile phone, then I will go with either UK, USA or Germany. So first, let's go with the UK. I'll connect to UK. Alright, as you can see, right, connected. So let's confirm and see. Alright, as you can see right here, London is. So what you will do now is not now. Now you search for TikTok, and let's click on sign up. Remember, we are already connected. We are connected to VPN. So let's go with email. So I'm gonna use here. You can choose to use your actual any random age of your choice, depending on how you want your account to be. Maybe, maybe. So You see? Alright, so you just one password special character. Alright, code has been sent, and as you can see, this is the email, so the code is already here. So let's copy the code. Let's copy and paste. Then yes, here is optional. You can choose to leave it as if you don't want to be receiving those annoying email and template messages from TikTok. So I always choose to leave it like that. Alright. So now we are done with the so username. We can just go with something like wait. Let's keep it for now since we are now in the account to be. And that's it. Congrats. You have getting your UK soccer TikTok account. TikTok account, I guess.
قل الحمد لله الذي نجانا من القوم الظالمين وقل رب أنزلني منزلا مباركا
So,
وأنت خير المنزلين.
so as you all know, this is the account, and come to setting. As you can see, account region United Kingdom. So that is it. Also, some tips for you to secure this account and make it more perfect is as you have created the account, as you can see right here. So you first make an engagement course. You make an like I mean when I mean engagement is you watch some TikTok videos. Um, let's see. Yeah, you just watch them randomly, like watch. If you like it, you comment. Not just like you watch and click on the tap. Allow it to understand everything. Then you just then after that, that's when you can say after like let me say 4 hours of doing that, continue. Then you continue daily daily activities, which is setting up your profile, start up with your content. That's it. There is nothing more than this. That's what you guys pay people to do. I have not doing. That's just it. So as of this, that's just a video for today. And also, I'll be making a video on how to do it, how to create the account on your smartphone. So if you don't get the pieces way or you could not do it, thank you.